Alright guys, so today I'm gonna be setting up the foam cannon and showing y'all how I use it, why I use it, why I don't use it. But yeah, y'all gonna check it out, man. Let's just get straight into that. Peace. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and I haven't filled up the foam cannon, but here it is. Check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with some soap. Probably about a quarters to an eighth of, yeah, hold on. Probably about an eighth or a quarter of soap. I got my washing wax here from Tex Bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. One reason why I do use the foam cannon, because it looks cool. That's probably the only reason why I use it. Other than that, I gotta go over the car after I go ahead and hit it with the foam cannon. Still go over there and still, by hand and knock down the dirt myself. So that's just the extra step in the process of washing a car. I cut it out. I choose to just not do it. Like I said, look good. It's good for footage. If I just need some content, I'll pull this out and we're gonna get to it. Other than that, I usually don't do it. Let's get into it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and set up, put this, together, and then we're gonna get into washing it. I'm actually in my tank top, man. It's hot out here. Got my bandana on, it's hot out here. I be sweating. I be getting a bunch of dirt all in my pores while I'm sweating, and that's just, my face be breaking out. But I did get a haircut. Shout out my barber. He's actually whose car I'm finna wash. Yeah, my boy Josh. Yeah. But yeah, man, let's get on into this, man. Let's get into some car washing. Enough of me talking. Like I said, this is probably about a quarter of soap. Go ahead and get some water in there and we're gonna get going. Give me a second. Alright guys, so as I mentioned earlier, I was going to be using the foam cannon. However, as I was trying to use the foam cannon, I realized that my pressure washing isn't working. Looked like the motor went out on it. So I will take that back out of warranty for that. It's whatever. But man, let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys still seen, I went ahead and washed the car by hand. It's all good. Check it out. Let's check it out. Guys, I wasn't sure what to do with this stuff here because he be on the move, so I just kind of put it all there so he can organize it. Alright y'all, we here at my boy Brio's car wash. Let me see. Give me a second. So as you guys know, this is Houston, Texas, where it floods. and stuff like that. So here he has a job where he redid the whole carpet. This is my guy Brio that I met working. I met him while I was working. He insert that carpet. I met him while I was working. He had on a detailing shirt. I spoke on it. Ended up he had his own little shop, man. So here we are.
I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody as ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me.
Brio hand car wash and detail in the Heights on 14th and Yale. Here with Dream Team HTX, right? Dream Team HTX. Right. I appreciate you coming by, man.
Appreciate you, man.
You know, learning a little bit about what we do. And you know, like I said, man, go get it, man.
That's it.
It's all on you.
Alright, man, so what you guys witnessed me and my boy Brio's hand car wash. That was my guy David, man. I met him while I was working, like I said, and he just was cool. I seen him, he had on his business shirt. I'm like, hey, you do detailing? Like, I was interested. He seen my interest, man. I followed him on Instagram from then. I seen a lot of the work that he's been doing, so I was like, yeah, I hit him up like, hey, man, I like what you've been doing. Do you mind if I come out and watch you on my off day so that I can kind of learn some things? And he said yes. So shout out to him, shout out to Brian, man. You guys are gonna see Brio's hand car wash. I'm gonna post the address and all that, his information there, because man, that's awesome. Like, you just don't get too many people who will let you come into their business place and just sit and watch them, and then let alone he let me record them as well. He spoke to me and talked to me a lot while he was working, which I really appreciate. But yeah, man, just an awesome experience, man. I appreciate you for having me again, Brian, man. Thanks. I'll be stopping by more just to learn more. He say on Thursday he has a car wrap that he's going to be doing. He actually has another car shop where he specializes in other things. So we're going to go by there Thursday, hopefully, if I got the time. Go check that out, the car wrap. Next Tuesday, he said he has a 3-stage paint correction, which these are all things that I'm trying to learn. So I'm so grateful for this, man. Again, I know I keep saying it, Brian, I appreciate you, man, for real. This is huge. I love it. I thank you, man. Thanks. Just that's it. But yeah, man, check it out, man. I hope y'all like this video. If you did, man, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you learned or didn't learn. Let me know what you liked or didn't like. See more of and don't want to see. But yeah, man, again, it was a good day. Yeah, I know I don't got just the outro. I need to come up with an outro. But hey, y'all know what I say. Hey, man, man, it was a good day, man. I see y'all later, man. Stay tuned.